Wow, this is yummy. No. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. As you see, we are about to prepare our spear fish. Okay, as you watch out for my previous video how my husband prepared this spear fish. Is on my YouTube channel. Okay, so me, I'm going to prepare it. Okay, so we are not going to use all this. I'm going to use some of this with the, so I've already set up the fire and my pot is here. I want to pour the red oil. So I want to, this is tomato, onion with scotch bonnet bawa. Okay, so these are my, this is ginger with garlic. So follow us. This is stash. Salt, curry powder, sesame cubes, so the fish, later I will turn the back. So watch out for our next video where we'll be preparing this one, the spear fish. Okay, beautiful people, please help me to subscribe for more videos. Share my video with your friend and family. Thank you very much. Wow, this is nice. Delicious. This is yummy, no? Scent leaf. So this whole people is ready. I want to take it down. It's ready. This is yummy, delicious. So share my video with your friend and family. Wow, this is yummy, no? Delicious. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. See you where we'll be eating this delicious spare fish. Okay, watch how we butcher it. It's on my YouTube channel. How my husband prepare it is on my YouTube channel. This is delicious. See you where we'll be eating this. Subscribe. Bye bye. Let's go there.